Today, I've got my big bag loaded up because we are going to go shoot a Ford Ranger. A Ranger? Check this out. Alright, we're gonna hop on the side-by-side now, go scout out some trails.
The exhaust is done, so I TIG welded like stainless from the header the whole way back to the X pipe, like all like TIG stainless. And it's only the X pipe, so there's nothing past the X pipe right now. So that's one other thing I guess to do. So she barks pretty good. You'll be slower than me. She's like not a power hog, so you can start driving anymore.
I don't remember how to get there.
Fair enough, sorry.
It's all good. Let me see here. Actually, right here for now will be good. Just like this. I like this.
So it's technically legal and like plated and insured and ready to go. It doesn't technically have brake lights or signals or a horn yet. And I gotta build a big bar. I'm gonna plug it in the receiver for big mud flaps just because.
Yeah.
Wrong cop is gonna have a heyday.
Absolutely.
So, I know, do you know Ben Pagoda?
I do, yeah.
He's a good buddy of mine too. So, he says he doesn't get harassed too much when he drives his. So
That blows my mind.
I know. I've got spare bids if I need to, but it's not gonna pass the safety, according to the book anyway. So, trip to the ice cream once in a blue moon, but otherwise, I'm not a big chrome guy, but Sean, okay, he's like, man, you're gonna just, because I actually had like a black painted grill and everything else, and he's like, man, it's 90s truck, you're gonna have a couple accidents. I did, it worked out good.
Yeah, that skid plate really does a lot of work.
That, right? On a Bridgeport, machined out all the grooves and polished it and stuff, so. He comes to see me and stuff, he's a good dude, so.
And stop. It's perfect. All right, did some high dynamic range stuff. We're going to go to another spot here.
Get inside. Just watch your harness, you can slam that door.
Oh, yeah, nice again.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
I'll just fill a little wire
Nice.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
You're not gonna go fast, but.
Do that again so I can grab some shots of you.
Oh, sure.
Cool, I'll meet you over there in that wide open.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do some action shots of him ripping around. I'm gonna grab the 70 to 200 here. I think he's buckling up. Make sure I get it all here. All right, here we go. Holy moly! I'm speechless, man. That was a great shoot. Just a great day hanging out, Going through the side-by-side, driving the Gator, ripping in that Ranger. Now, I've said it before, I love what I do, and it's got so many perks. One of those perks being, I get to meet a bunch of cool people. And it's true when they say connections are important. Connections are the most important thing you can make in a career, because one person knows another person, they know another person, and they know other people. One of our mutual friends, Donovan, also known as Han Donovan, if you're from Saskatoon, you know who I'm talking about. He's a great guy. Nathan was looking for some photos, or they were talking about pictures or something, and then Donovan suggested that he hit me up. And because I have a good connection with Donovan, I now have a good connection with Nathan. And who knows, maybe Nathan knows some people that are looking for photos and they'll contact me. So always do your best, always be good to people, because you never know who you're going to meet, and you just never know who knows who. But again, what a great day. Great shoot, perfect weather. And Nathan, thank you for such a great day. I had a blast. I've been wanting to shoot your truck for a couple years now, and I'm finally glad we got to make that happen. And if you're still watching after all this rambling and you want to see some of the shots I took, go to my Instagram page or visit my website, stetnerphotoco.com, and I'll be sure to have some photos sprinkled in along my portfolio. And let me know what you think of this outro. Is it dumb? It's kind of cool. I don't know how I feel about it, but here it goes.